How to stop automatically following other Instagram accounts. So hey everybody, if you're having that kind of issue on Instagram, you can follow up the steps. So for that, you can head over to the bottom right corner of your screen and you should be finding your profile page here. So from the given profile page at the top right corner, you should be finding a three horizontal lines. You can tap on it to open up settings and privacy. Once you are here, you need to tap on website permissions. You can scroll down and here you should be finding device permissions, website permissions, app website permissions. So what you're going to do is navigate to the apps and website section, and here if any active apps are here, you're going to remove them from here because sometimes the unauthorized app access can also make those kind of issues on Instagram. Apart from that, change your password because that may be the reason if someone has hacked your account or something like that. They may have followed your other people using your profile. So you can go to password and security and go to change password. Tap on your Instagram account. Follow the on-screen prompts. Use your current password, your new password, retype your new password, and tap on change password and change your password. So that is it for now. These are the methods you can follow up if you want to stop automatically following other Instagram accounts for now. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next one.